There it is. I'm not paired up. Yes, that's good. Playing Fredrik Svana, younger brother of Rasmus, who's solid 2600 plus GM. And Fredrik is becoming a very strong GM himself. They're Danes living in Germany. Queen of 6. Wowza. That was unexpected. What should I do now? Let's try and go for a safe move. Check. Yeah, I think that's the normal move. Here. Okay, and let's just develop. Shouldn't be too bad. Actually, it's pretty unimpressive. Like d6 and bishop g4, maybe? Now I can maybe go bishop g5, question mark. Okay, let's go b4 first. Attack these pieces a little bit. Now bishop g5. Now I'm playing with the old, well-tested strategy of just threatening stuff and then hoping something works. Ignore his moves and play my own game. Yeah, it's usually good. It's usually good strategy in chess. And most other games. Should I keep the bishop or should I trade? If I attack something 10 times, they'll make a mistake. Exactly. You're learning. Am I actually a good gamer or no? I only play chess. Oh, the viewers are back. Nice. Okay. Cool. Very good. I wasted a little bit of time changing the title, but not too much. Should go bishop c4. No. No need for subtlety. I feel like I'm slightly better here. Play CSGO, chess sucks. Is that Elon Musk in the chat? He doesn't like chess. That was probably Elon. Okay, let's take it. If he takes the pawn, knight c4. Here. I'll go bishop c2, then bishop e3 maybe. My position is kind of unimpressive, to say. h3, then king h2 and f4. No, Nepo is technically stronger than Magnus. Well, we don't ban people easily in this channel, but that sort of comment could put you over the edge. Okay, let's go for an attack. Oh, that was royally stupid. AB, f4, I didn't see bc3. I have to go bishop b3 then, and cb. I'm playing pretty badly in this game. Pretty bad. Ban that terrible human being? Yeah. Well, we don't ban easily, but as I said, that was not good. But I'm still doing sort of fine. If he moves the bishop, I got b5, knight d4, b6. Bishop d4, I got rook c1, then b5 is a threat. This, however, I'm not sure I like this for him. Queen d6. It's funny that my king is just on h2 for no reason here. But apart from that, my position looks a bit better. I have the bishop pair. He cannot take the pawn because of takes, and then bishop d6. And if rook d8, queen c7, rook d7, and then rook e1, I think. Oh, why am I pointing the arrow instead of playing the move? Too much streaming. He clearly missed this one. What am I doing? Why didn't I just take... then queen b4. This is actually better. This is actually better. Not so easy to win. Okay, let's take it. Bishop e6, but... No, it's not easy to win at all, actually. Should I go bishop e5 and then rook g6? No, then it's got... I haven't played this perfectly. This knight is a little bit out of play. But I cannot quite trap it, can I? Rook b2, then he's got knight c1. Okay, let's do this. Knight b3, rook c2. Try and dominate his knight a little bit. He's got rook d7 though. Okay, let's get the majority going. I mean, with an extra pawn and a very strong bishop, there are definite winning chances here. Trying to dominate the knight again. Let's push. Push again. Knight f7. That's a bit annoying, actually. Running out of time. I think I gotta go for the rook ending. That was a mistake. Now he's losing for sure. Playing too slowly. He had to check there first, I think. Now here, king goes to g6, and I'm winning. Yeah, rook f1, king g6. He has to go here to block the pawn, but then I just go take the pawn. That's an easy win.